so welcome back to Lex Reads. So in today's video, I wanted to decorate one of my shelves. In a recent video I did, I rearranged this shelf. This is now my romance slash urban fiction shelf. Of course, in that video I told you guys that I was gonna, buy some little knickknacks, here and there. And I started doing it like right after because I kind of wanted to focus on decorating like the top shelf, and then I can add some little knickknacks, as well. I don't want to go too overboard. Still want to, put some things on there. And then I wanted to, since it is romance, urban fiction, I wanted like some little knickknacks that were kind of in that theme. Thought this would be perfect for me to do now, especially at night. I function well at night. I do all my reading usually at nighttime. Usually like to clean my library, during the nighttime. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, so let's get into some of the merchandise. I wanted to really focus on the top, and I was thinking while I was, picking up some things, I said, well, you do have the shelves that you can kind of put some things on. So the first place I went to was Five Below. Usually Five Below, when they have little cute knickknacks and things of that nature. So I just got one thing from there, but I had to get this. It is a vase, but it's in a book. I said, this is going to be perfect because it is the right color scheme. Pink is my favorite color, as you guys know, but like powder pink, oh, pastel pink, that is like my go-to. So I thought this was perfect. It says Sweet Bloom. So yes, got this for $5. So that's one thing we have. And I went to Home Goods, and what did I get, Lord? I'd be shopping so much I'd be forgetting what I bought. So the first thing I got, I believe this is a picture frame. Oh yeah, I had to get this picture frame. So I don't know if I'm gonna put anything in it, but it goes with the theme, and it does go with my decor. I mean, it's pink and gold. I want to kind of like dainty kind of, things. So yes. And then what is this? Probably a mug. I love anything mugs. Oh, this. Now I don't know if I'm going to use this for decor or actually use it for like drinking, like my coffee. I just had to get this, you guys. It says, "Stop trying to make fetch happen, Regina George." I love Mean Girls. I've seen it a billion times, and Regina George is one of my favorite characters from that movie. So I'm like, I wish they had to, because if they did, I would have probably bought both of them. But this don't really go with the romance, bookshelf theme, but I just like this so much. I think I might just drink out of this. That's one thing I hate about like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, is snatch and grab. So you guys know those items are from warehouses, and it's like if you see it, you need to get it now because you're not gonna be able to get it ever again. But like I said, if it was two of them, I would have gotten another one. So that's all I got from Home Goods. Next, Amazon, of course. Amazon has a lot of like bookish theme, Oh wait, this is not for my library. This is actually this is for my matcha, y'all. That's another thing too. Look, off the subject. My aunt gave me a uh ice machine maker. Y'all, I have been loving the ice machine maker, and I want to start making matcha. I used to make matcha at home all the time because Starbucks, I don't know what they did with that matcha, but it's different now. So I'm like, you know what? I can make it at home. Yeah, I got a whole tea whisk set. So now it's like I want to buy some cups, even though I have cups and glasses, but y'all know. Any excuse to shop. This is the bookish item from Amazon. Okay, it is. Oh, this is so cute, guys. Look at this. I have to get this. It says Black Girl Luxury. It's like the only thing I can link down below, so I will. This is too cute. Look at this, you guys. Oh, I love it. It looks even better in person. Yes, so that is another item that we can use. So far that's all that I got. Again, I didn't want to just start buying stuff because like I said, this shelf is small, and I kind of want to, just see how it's going to look, and then I can add some things. And then also too, I was still, like I said, trying to keep on theme. I wanted something a little dainty, sweet, girly, romantic type of, feel. So since we got some little decor, we can start kind of doing something with this. Like I said, I don't want it to look overcrowded, but I also don't want it to look just bare. I want it to look specifically like this bookshelf is romance books. I have something in my living room where I got it from, where is that called? Burlington. And I also saw it at another Burlington, which I think I might get that because it's gold. I was just worried if it was going to be too big. It's like a open hand. You know what? Let me show you the one that I have in my living room. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I have in my living room. I actually put my remotes in here, and with this, you can stand it up like this, or you can put it down like this. I was thinking about something kind of like this, but of course the other one I think is bigger. I do think I'm gonna get that. I mean, obviously it looks stupid like this, but y'all get what I'm saying. um and if I can't fit all of them, at least I can fit like some of them. But yeah, the one that's gold, hopefully it's still there, because again, those stores are snatch and grab. But yeah, it's like this, but it's gold. It was a white one and it was a gold one. So I think I might get that. I have this. A coworker gave this to me, and it actually lights up. Um, it's like Beauty and the Beast. Oh, I didn't know it did that color. Okay, but wait, let's turn this off. Again, this is like romance, rose. Okay, I can maybe do something with that. I know I want this up here. It has to be up here. Um, okay, wait. I think you're supposed to turn it this way. There you go. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. And I also told you guys I need to find some more bookmarks, but I wanted to put like some theme bookmarks, like I still got a groove back. Y'all know that. Waiting to Excel. I have somewhere I gotta find. I have a Love Jones. I think I might do, what's the newest movie that came out some years ago with Issa? It's kind of gives you like a Love Jones aspect. The Photograph. But yeah, I said I was gonna put like some bookmarks there, For, like I was telling you guys, this little hand that I want in gold, I can maybe put like some bookmarks in here. Because y'all know, if I want to read, pick up a book, I can like, oh, okay, pick a bookmark up. Yeah. So I think I might do that. How can we come? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you stop, I feel tremor in my. How can we come? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you stop, I feel tremor in my. Hey, you guys, so far, this is what I have. I do like it because, again, I want it to look like I said, the theme. I do like the flower here. I added the Destiny series by Beverly Jenkins. I do like the Black Girl Luxury, of course. I want that to show. And the 90s kind of loving. I'm having just this. It's like, I want these to be displayed, but I'm thinking I might have to maybe another shelf. I do have those easels, but I think my easels are not big enough to fit all of these. I think these books are too big. And then, oh wait, okay, it's tight, but it's gonna work. Okay, I don't want to damage them now. Oh, perfect. JP.
And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. Yeah, yeah, only want you love me beside me. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone else but you and me. In our own little world, the music is the sun, the dance floor becomes the scene. Feels like true paradise.
Okay, you guys, so this is how the bookshelf is looking. I am going to switch these shelves out. This is my urban fiction shelf. I'm going to put this at the bottom because some of those urban fiction books, the covers are just not my vibe. Love it, but yeah, no. Um so I'm just going to put those on the bottom. I'll do that another time. I did add I did add another book on display, which is Vanessa Jarrett's Got a Man by LaQuette. This just screams romance. I mean, look at the cover, and I really did enjoy this book. So I have that there. I put the picture frame right there. I thought that was perfect. I kind of just rearrange, some books. And again, like I said, I will, switch this out. I do like the top shelf. I like that a lot. I do think if I can find that hand, where I can put like my bookmarks, I'll put it right here, or I can maybe put it in the middle, because it is kind of big, but it's either going to be white or gold. Hopefully, they still have it at the store because, again, snatch and grab. Yeah, I do like it so far. It is giving me, my romance shelf. But yeah, guys, this is how it is looking. Like I said, I really do like it. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video for me redecorating my romance shelf. I did not use this. I just noticed I can put this somewhere. It will be over time adding little knickknacks like I always do throughout this room. Yeah, guys, that is it. And I'll be back with more Black Books. Bye.